Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone's Face ID not working. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not working in your iPhone. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. You just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending update for your iPhone software. If you find, simply try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back, and here you just have to make sure that your front camera on your in-depth camera is clean. There's not any dirt or dust over your front camera. You can also try to clean this, or you can use a hair dryer to clean this. And after the cleaning this, you have to simply go to your settings app. Now this time go to screen time section, and then go to content privacy restrictions, and try to disable all over the restrictions on your iPhone you have. Once you have done this, simply go back, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So simply go to Face and ID and passcode, try to enter your iPhone passcode, and here you can check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. And how to do that, you have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings from here, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings in the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. If you're facing this issue after updating your iOS or your iPhone or your software, so it might be that there's an issue with your iPhone software. You just have to try to downgrade your software to the downgrade iOS version. So after that, your issue must be fixed. Or you can use a second way. You just have to simply open your Apple Support app, and here you have to select your iPhone. If you don't find this app, you can easily install this from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Here tap on this more option, and then just look for Face ID. Just wait for this loading, and here you just have to select this Get More Help option. Then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with a Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. After that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.